In this video, I am going to show you how to open a Wise account step by step. With Wise, you can hold and exchange 50 plus currencies, send money to 80 plus currencies or countries, cheaper and easier than with the old school banks, and spend in 170 plus countries with your Wise International Debit Card. Ready to open a Wise account to send payments or hold a foreign currency balance? Here's what to do. First thing you need to do is to visit the wise.com website. You can find it in the link description. Register with Wise online or by downloading the handy Wise app. Look for the register button. Click and enter your email address. To make it even easier, you can also sign up using a Google or Facebook or Apple account. Get ready to prepare your passport, your international or national ID card, or your driver's license. Once your Wise account has been verified, you can set up your payment by entering either the amount you want to send or the amount you want your recipient should receive, online or in the Wise app. You'll get an instant quote and estimated delivery time, so you can compare your options and make your payment. Just note that to keep customers and their money safe and to comply with financial regulations in the US and around the world, Wise must verify customers' identity. Whenever a verification step is needed, you will be prompted with which information or documentation will be required in order to follow through your transaction. It's easy to open your Wise account online or in the Wise app to send money to 80 plus countries with the mid-market exchange rate and low, transparent fees. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.